Want to install WhatsApp Messenger? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can install WhatsApp Messenger. The first thing you want to do is open the App Store on your device. Now tap on the search icon at the bottom of your screen. Here, search WhatsApp. Now out of the search results, you want to select WhatsApp Messenger. From here, you can check out the description. You can also check the preview of the app. Scroll down to find the ratings and review. Now, if you want to install this, you will find a get option over here. If you have never installed WhatsApp before, then you will have to tap on the get option. Then verify using your Face ID or passcode. But if you have already installed it once, you're going to get this icon. Simply tap on that. Now it will begin to download. Once the downloading is completed, it will be automatically installed. Now tap on open. Here tap on agree and continue. Then you will have to enter your phone number. Then tap next, enter your name and follow the on-screen process to log into your account. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.